Welcome to the 8th episode of the FloodWise Fundamentals Video Series. In this video, we'll walk you through several new updates and features now available within the FloodWise system. These updates include the introduction of enhanced symbology for flood risk points, improvements to the attribute table, and refinements to the user interface. With the release of the newest FloodWise version, the dashboard now includes an updated symbology feature, designed to improve how flood risk points are displayed across the map. These symbols provide additional visual context by identifying flood risk points based on their type and subtype classifications. Please note that this feature will only appear on dashboards configured to include type and subtype data. If your dashboard is not currently configured with this information, flood risk points will continue to display as they have previously. With the new symbology feature enabled, symbols can be accessed through the updated Layers panel, located at the top right of the map widget. By expanding the All Flood Risk Points dropdown, you'll see a list of flood risk point types along with their corresponding symbols. At the top of this list, you'll find symbols representing essential facilities, such as medical centers, police stations, and emergency shelters. Flood risk points categorized as roads are represented by triangular symbols, while uncategorized building risk points are displayed using hexagonal icons. You may also notice an update to the Nodes toggle within the Layers panel. With the symbology feature enabled, this toggle now applies only to nodes that are part of the hydraulic network. Dashboards that do not include type or subtype data will continue to classify all flood risk points as nodes, as in previous versions. By default, flood risk points without assigned type or subtype data will appear within the Other category and will be displayed as hexagons on the map. If your project does not currently include risk point classification data and you would like these locations to be categorized within your dashboard, please contact FloodWise customer support for assistance. FloodWise has also introduced improvements to the information pop-up that appears when selecting an item within the dashboard. When a map element is selected, a more detailed attribute pop-up will now appear directly on the map. The information displayed within this pop-up is dynamically tailored to the type of item selected, allowing you to quickly view the most relevant data. For flood risk points, the pop-up now displays latitude and longitude, risk point type and subtype, real-time stage, warning stage, alert stage, and current status. For nodes, the pop-up highlights key monitoring information including latitude, longitude, node type, and real-time stage. For gauges, the pop-up displays latitude, longitude, and the associated gauge type. And for links, the pop-up provides the link type to help quickly identify the selected hydraulic component. These enhancements are designed to provide clearer, more accessible information, allowing you to better understand conditions across your FloodWise system. In addition to visualization improvements, several updates have been made to the FloodWise user interface. The pin options, previously located within the Options pop-up, have now been relocated to the Layers panel under the Flagged Pins drop-down menu. If you would like to export flagged pin data, this can now be done directly through the Export button located within the Flagged Pins widget. Thank you for joining us for this overview of the latest features and enhancements available within the FloodWise system. We hope this video provides valuable insight into how these updates improve the way you monitor, interpret, and respond to flood risk information. As always, stay tuned for future episodes of the FloodWise Fundamentals Video Series as we continue to explore the powerful tools and capabilities that FloodWise has to offer.